2½ cups of flour, 7 grams of dry yeast, pinch of salt. On she goes. Touch of oil, nice and slow. Now we give her a little drink. She's thirsty. It's coming together. Gorgeous dough. Knead the dough. And now a quick nap for 20 minutes. Night night. Ready for pizza. Now it's time to gently flatten it out. Back and forth, just like that. Nice and stretched out. Now it's ready for toppings. Sauce, cheese, pepperoni, in the oven. Let's take a peek, shall we? Oh my god. And that's how you make an easy peasy pizza.
Doesn't look that good.
Wow.